What are we doing?
13.
Are you gonna read that?
Yeah.
What's it say?
I have stool.
Okay, read it to me.
Mm-hmm. I have stool. I have stool.
Next page.
Stool. Like fun. Stool looks like fun.
Yeah, next page.
The other page. This must be the way inside. Whoa, look at this painting.
What painting?
That painting.
Right there. I think that's like a bulletin board. What's it say?
What a big plastic
No, that just says place.
place. Big place.
Yeah. See, because it's really big.
Yeah.
Okay.
This must be the way inside.
What?
This must.
Is that what that says?
Yeah.
No, what's that word?
Play.
Where?
And that.
That says where?
Where is everyone? Where is everyone?
You'll see in a minute.
Now.
What's that say?
Now. I'm
It says totally.
totally lost. Totally lost. Everyone is lost. What?
Here, you hold the book.
What does that say?
Can you ring it? Alright. Can you read it? Yeah, that's ah! Like he's yelling.
But that says ah.
Yeah, what's it say underneath that?
A green bell.
What does that say?
Oh, what?
What's it say? What?
What is? Ah!
It says that. That.
That.
So it says, ah, what is that?
Ah, what is this? Ah, what is that?
And he said that because the bell went ring.
Here.
Jack. Uh-oh. Grandpa's phone's ringing.